Then I have, let's see here, the Magic Lilies, the Belladonna Lily. There's a few more of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hoping for some flowers. Definitely, I planted these last year. Didn't get any flowers. I think I planted them too late. We'll see how that goes. There is a spider plant back there. Hoping for some flowers from those this year. Again, didn't get anything last year. These are my dahlias. I am very surprised that they're still going. The frost has come and taken out the zinnias and taken out the optical illusion dahlias on the other side, but these are troopers. Also, this one, I only know what color this guy is in the center, but I don't know what color the front one is or the back one is. However, the exciting part is that there is a bud right there, and I will get to find out maybe in a week or so what it is, what color it is. Alright, so some more goodness. This is Peruvian lily that I had planted last year, thinking that it was too hot for it. I don't think it's going to make it. Well, guess what? It made it, came back up. Very excited about that. There is one more Peruvian lily. There's 3 Peruvian lilies that I planted. So one over there, one over here, right here, and then one right here. So they're all making a comeback right there. So I kept the tag, so when they flower I know exactly what ones they are. I'm very excited about seeing actual flowers of these. They are supposed to be about 3 foot and up taller and makes great cut flowers, and one of them is fragrant as well. So we'll see how that turns out in the spring. And of course there's some more irises. This is my first year with this many irises. I've only done Dutch irises before. This is supposed to be a bearded iris, a purple variety. The hosta seems to be loving it here. There is another hosta that I had planted right here, and this came to me from Michigan, and I think it's sleeping right now. You know, when plants go to dormant, that's the term. But however, mine seems to be happy and growing. We'll see if this one comes up next year. This is the butterfly bush. I think it's gone dormant for the season. Some more of the Dutch irises. Can't begin to tell you how many Dutch irises I had planted last year, and they all came back. Very excited. However, they are more of a landscape plant. It's 1 flower per bulb. Not necessarily for cutting. I stay to things that are very productive and don't just give me 1 flower per bulb, kind of like tulips. But again, they're in there, and I don't leave this empty. I grow annuals on top of this every year, say zinnias and cosmos and sunflowers and whatnot. Also, forgot to show you some muscari. Wasn't covered with leaves. See, all of this is muscari. Those grape hyacinths, also called, very short, but they make a great companion with sweet peas because they're both fragrant. You could put them in a smaller vase. And I have direct seeded some of the salvia here a week ago, and direct seeded some sage as well. We'll see if they take or not and whatnot. Those are the columbines back there. I am wanting to take 2 of them. There's 4 plants total. 1, 2, 3. Where's the 4th one? There it is. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and then there's that one right there, right next to the spider plant. I'm wanting to take 1 of them or 2 of them out and plant them somewhere else because I think the roots are contending with the tree and it's not growing taller as it's supposed to. Alright guys, so this was a detailed tour of all the things that I had recently planted and the progress of some of the stuff that I had planted a month or so ago. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.